Then what is the ultimately difference between the union and the federation? Matter is very simple. See, in the unionist model of federation, they also believe in the division of power or sharing of power. Union means also division of power, sharing of power. Union means also supreme constitution. Union means also independent judiciary. That's very interesting. And presence of upper house in form of a council of state, which represent the state. So once I am referring about the division of power, every feature of a federal government lies in the union. These features are equally important for the US Federation. That I have told you. Then why we are referring about union? You know why union? Because apart from division of power, we are having very strong integrationist feature. We are having very strong unitary features too. My dear friend, once we are referring about union, we are hinting towards a unitary feature apart from the federal feature. Because what I am writing, unionist model of a federal government. We are not only writing unionist. Again, we are not only writing the AC unitary government, unionist, not unitary. Because we are having federal government, division of power. See, these features lies in Indian Constitution not. You know that then why we are referring union? Because first we are making historical differences. Our constitution, likewise of Canada, is not result of contract. First, our constitution that is a product of a government of India 1935, likewise of the Canada. In Canada, various provinces, state are made from the same central government, and then they are given autonomous power by the government of India 1935. First time 11 states were separated, and they were given autonomous power. Therefore, in our case, it was a central government created the state, not vice versa. In case of US, units are state government created a center. Therefore, obviously, why we are emphasizing our powerful central government? So, union reflect two key points. First, our model of federation is not likewise of US. It is not result of contract first. And second, we want to make a powerful union government. We want to emphasize our very powerful union government. Why we want to emphasize our very powerful union government? And what are the example? Let's see. Division of power is more favorable in the context of a federal government. There is a division of power, but PM is more powerful than CM. Division of power is more tilted in terms of a union. And what is unitary feature? First, A, unitary judiciary. Unitary judiciary. Single citizenship. Single citizenship. All India services. All India services. Even governor is appointed by president. Governor is appointed by president, and parliament can make a new state. Parliament can make a new state under Article 3 without any amendment. And even state are also dependent for the financial help by the union. So in terms of a legislative division of power, union list is having more power. There is a concurrent list. It means what is the philosophy of division of power? In philosophy of division of power, PM stand out to be more powerful leader. Therefore, American division of power is more like a swing of a seesaw. आपने seesaw वाला swing देखा है? A person who with a weight of 42 kg, he saw the swing पर एक 42 kg का नहीं बैठ सकता, 40 kg का at well balance. एक 80 kg का बैठ जाए, 40 kg का. So division of power is not in the equilibrium. Therefore, in case of Indian Constitution, Canadian Constitution, we are putting the supremacy of federal government everywhere. But again, it doesn't mean that we don't have federal government. I can tell you numerous examples, which Article 249, where union government can make a law over state list, 252, 253, and most importantly, during emergency, entire division of power is suspended. During emergency, our federal government work like a unitary government. This is beyond imagination in the US Constitution. Despite the fact we are a federal government, and this is a very much art of debatable whether this unity tendency, and because of this unity tendency, K.C. Ware, a famous scholar, who said that Indian Constitution is a quasi-federal government. Because of this centralization, what K.C. Ware argued that, he wrote a book, Federal Government. K.C. Ware said that Indian Constitution is not a federation, it is a quasi-federation. It is a quasi-federation. And it is also said that because of that feature, what K.C. Ware said that Indian Constitution is a quasi-federation, and moreover, some scholars are saying that Indian Constitution is not a federal. It is unitary with having some subsidiary feature of a federal government. So what you believe in? Whether Indian Constitution is a unitary number one, quasi-federation number two, or a federation with a strong union number three?
Join PSIR optional with Dr. Rajesh Mishra and excel in your exams.